Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to turn on, how to activate the time limit in using Instagram application. So this feature is created by the Instagram application to help the user manage their time, so they will not gonna spend the whole time for using Instagram only. They need to go to work so that they can stop using Instagram. You will get the reminder, or the application will be automatically closed if you use these features. Go open your Instagram, open your profile section, go click these three straight lines, and right after that you just need to go click settings and privacy. And now you just need to take a look on how you use Instagram section. There will be two options: notification and time span. Go open the time span, and this time span there will be manage your time, and there will be three options: break reminder, quiet mode, and daily limit. If you want to have limitations in using Instagram, choose the third one, which is the daily limit. And now you just need to choose how many minutes, how many time that you want to use the Instagram. So let's say here you want to use Instagram for every 45 minutes. You just need to go click it and go click done. And now after 45 minutes using Instagram, the Instagram will be automatically off. So that is the way, guys, how to activate the time limit in using Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.